亲爱的同学们，我是小丫老师。今天老师带你们看一看自己家乡的天气。The weather in my city. Hello everyone. I'm from Huludao. Do you want to know what the weather is like here? Let me tell you. Huludao is in the northeast of China. In spring, the weather is changeable. Sometimes it's warm and sometimes it's cold. In summer, it's hot, but I like it very much because I like swimming. The autumn in my city is very nice. It's neither too hot nor too cold. In winter, it's very cold. You can see heavy snow everywhere. I like snow. I like to make snowmen with my friends. 你们家乡的天气是什么样子的呢？快来告诉小丫老师吧。喜欢小丫老师，关注，每天和老师一起学英语。